do a spice challenge. We just gotta make the food. So. So. Get some rice. Cook it. Up to 1 minute, and then when it's done, then I'll show you the next step. So what you do is you open the rice. From the hot sauce. Tobacco. From the hot sauce. Perfect. Right, please. Tobacco. Let me put the camera over upside down so you can see this right.
Not Gary.
Well, I guess tobacco sauce. We're inside the rice.
Oh, Murray's gonna find the person. Fuck.
Then you mix.
Tell Murray I said hi. Tell him, Murray, that your little brother said hi.
Time to mix.
I've already mixed mine, brother. Now we're gonna have to add fun. What does that mean? That says flexing. It means flexing. It means
flex on.
Jeremy, you're showing the kid. I'm
Then here's
vitamin in his mouth too.
Here's the finishing touch. Oh God!
I'm trying to get the kid's name. Be quiet.
No reaction.